Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Trista and today's video is a bullet journal video. It is kind of a special one because I couldn't come up with a theme this month. So I went to Pinterest to look for some images that I thought that would look cute together. I was kind of thinking about sunset desert, but I'm not sure. So if you can come up with something, leave it in the comments down below. Also, this is a very special video to me because I am partnering with Ana Luisa. I love their jewelry. I love that it is a sustainable and ethical brand, that they are carbon neutral, so that is really cool. Make sure to check out the link in the description bar. I also have a 10% discount for you guys, so if you want to shop anything, you can use that code and save yourself some money. But yeah, without further ado, let's head into this video and I will talk about Ana Luisa later on. I started off with cutting out the images that I found on Pinterest. I will share the link in my description, so if you would like to use them for yourself, you can find them there. I was mostly inspired by this beautiful illustration of a person holding flowers, so I chose to use it for my cover page. My word for the year is strength, and I thought this quote that I'm using here really goes with that. It says, "She overcame everything that was meant to destroy her." And it reminds me of my sister. She's been through a lot in her life, but last year she started to turn her whole life around, and I am so proud of her. She is such an inspiration to me. So every time I look at this cover page, I am reminded that just like my sister, I can do hard things and I can become stronger and stronger. I started working on my calendar, but I struggled a lot with this one. I decided to cover it up and change things and made a reel about it. So if you want to see behind the scenes like this, you can follow me on Instagram. Next up is my habit and mood tracker. Now, I chose to go for a layout that I've used many times before, but still I again struggled with this one. The thing is, I really like how this system works. It is really nice to see everything together. I like the graph of my mood tracker, but I don't really like the way it looks or how the placement is over 2 pages, like the spread, you know what I mean? So next month I hope to try something different. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. You can write them down in the comments or tag me on Instagram and share your inspiration. For the titles of my trackers, I used a stamping kit that you have probably seen a lot if you've been following me for a while. I bought it on Amazon. It isn't expensive and I use it all the time, so definitely a good investment if you like that vintage look and don't want to hand letter everything. To spice some things up, I love to use star stickers and I have a lot of them on my sticker sheets. You can find my stickers in my Etsy shop, it will be linked down below. And I don't know what it is exactly, but I love stars, moons and its phases, suns and little rainbows. There is something really magical about that part of nature. Talking about nature, I am so happy that it is spring now, at least here in the Netherlands. During the winter months, I can suffer from the winter blues, so I am really glad to see changes in nature again. Temperatures are rising, the sun is more out, I want to go for longer walks with my dog, flowers and plants are starting to grow and bloom. It really gives me a lot of hope and gratitude, and it makes me feel really happy. On Elizabeth's channel that is called Plant Paste Bride, I saw that she created tabs for her weekly spreads, and I thought it looked so cute. The measurements I use for my tabs are 5, 2 and 3 squares, as you can see here. I wanted to save as much space as possible for my weeklies, so I only cut off 3 squares on the side. Because the month of April has 5 weeks, I made 5 tabs, but I discovered I should have made only 4. I created my first weekly spread before the first tab, if that makes sense. So anyhow, it is okay to make mistakes. I tried this for the first time and I've learned some new things. You can write on the tabs or paint them, but I chose to use washi tape and paper to keep that collage style going. I just wrapped the washi tape around the tab and then cut off the excess. It was really easy to do and the result looks really cool in my opinion, especially with the different colors and patterns. I love it. Next up is my first weekly spread. I used the same washi tape, paper and some of the illustrations that I got from Pinterest. The thing that I love about using the collage method, as I call it, is that you never know how it is going to turn out. It is always a surprise. You all know that I love to use my self-made stickers, but these cute plant stickers I found on AliExpress and I think they are really cute. They go so well with the colors and the vibe of this spread. For the days of the week, I did use my own stickers though. I only started using these last month, but I love them. It is so quick and easy and it always looks good. I can really struggle with the placement of the days of the week from time to time, so with these stickers I can just move them around and see what looks good, and that makes it really easy. Last but not least, I added a little calendar that I made with a clear stamp and some washi tape, plant stickers, and that's it. Before we head into the flip through of the pages that I made, I wanted to mention Ana Luisa again. I'm wearing the Isadora necklace and it is a set, so these are 3 necklaces you can wear separately, which is really cool, kind of a 3-in-1. I love that the pendant has a sun on it. I think it is perfect for summer and spring. I love it. I'm also wearing these little hoop earrings with stars on them. I believe they are called Oshi. I hope I pronounced that right, but they are very subtle and really cute to stack with a little stud or bigger earrings. Pieces start from $39, so it is quite affordable in my opinion. You can buy it for yourself as a gift or for someone else. I also love the pouches that it came with. So in here was the necklace and in here were the earrings. Can you hear that? So satisfying. What is really cool is that you can keep your jewelry in here to keep it safe, or when we are able to travel again, you can travel with your jewelry easily. If you want to order any jewelry pieces for yourself or for a loved one, make sure to click the link in the description bar and use my code TristArtist10 for a 10% discount and save yourself some money. Now let's go to the flip through of the pages that I made. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it, and also make sure to subscribe if you like my videos, because that can really help me. Give it that thumbs up so it can help me to grow and make more videos for you guys. Yeah, that was it, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!